this video, I just want to show you how you can use your smartwatch. And for you to use your smartwatch, definitely you need to set the device up with your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can see that I have the Samsung Galaxy Fit 12. So definitely, if you already set up the device and with the plugin as well, I have a video for this on my channel. You can find this on my channel. For you to do this, you need to press the home button, which is right here. Right, you can see the time. You can scroll across to navigate to whatever you want to go to. So let us scroll across so you can see all the features and also the functions. You can hit this for the home button right there. Then you can scroll down. You can also scroll across. There are different features here. Play on the phone. So if you want to play a song, you definitely need to play it on your phone first. You can return to home. You scroll across. And this one is to reset the device. That one is to restart. We don't want to restart. This one is to reset. So if you want to reset the device, you can do it here. And if you want to restart, you can do it here. So I just show you how to navigate around the device, showing us the battery percentage at the top. So this is how you can use the device. I hope that this was helpful, guys. If you want to start working out, you can walk, you can run. So let's go ahead, start walking. So this is a cool watch. It's showing us the kilometers, also the time. So guys, I hope that this was helpful in you having the idea how you can use your smart watch. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe.